Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm unboxing DJI Neo 2 Motion 4K Fly More combo. This is the new pack from DJI in Australia. So this is a motion pack and it has quite a good exciting attachment. So I will be showing you what's inside the box and how it will be helpful if you are making the FPV videos. And let me show you what's inside the box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let me show you, this is my DJI Neo 2 and let me see how cool is this gadget. This is a very small drone. It looks like a toy, but this is very small drone, like you can see. So this is a very small drone because it is good for the beginners also, because you don't need to learn so many things. It can take off and from your palm itself, and it can lands on the palm itself. And this motion has this is a transmitter. It comes with this attachment specially, and be only with the motion, otherwise you have to buy this separately. And let me show you what else they have provided. So let me see what else they have provided. This is bit bulky. Comes with the DJI goggles N3, and that is the one thing you put up there, and then you can see the live view. And then let me see this one, and this is the motion controller, so that will be very helpful. So that way you can fly the drone. And then so it has a fly more combo. It has 3 batteries, and these are the 3 intelligent batteries. Each one has a 19 minutes flying time they claim, but probably it will be 15 or 16 minutes, but it will be still good, like when you are making some extra cool shots with this one, so it will be quite good. And it comes with the charging case, so you can carry that. So charging will be from here, so you need to just put up that. And this is the charging cable, which is again they have provided type C to type C charging cable. So this is the charging cable they have provided. You have to attach here, and then the other end you can either attach to the wall adapter, or you can attach to your laptop, anything. So that is the one thing. And this is the extra propeller they have provided. So you can see that it comes with the 4 propellers. They have provided only 1 extra, so that is one thing. And this is the carry string they have provided. You can attach this one here to your controller, and that way it will not be like loose from your hand, anything. And plus so this is the quick setup guide, and plus some instruction booklets, so you need to go through that. And plus there is a small screwdriver. Sorry, I miss. So it comes with the 2 extra propellers, so if there is anything happens, so you can replace that. And you need a screwdriver, so it comes with the screwdriver, so you can open up and then change the propeller. so it will be helpful that way. So this was pretty much inside the DJI Neo 2 motion package, fly more package, as I can show you. So the package include DJI Neo 2, the latest drone, and it comes with the transmitter. So this is the transmitter. You have to otherwise buy that separately, because in the normal package you won't get it, and it will be required if you are using the motion controller. It will be required that way. So it comes with the three batteries. So these are the three batteries, 19 minutes each, and one battery is already attached here, as you can see. And then it comes with the charger also, the battery plus charger, and this is the type C to type C charging cable. And then it comes with the two extra propellers, and there is a one screwdriver you need to use if you need to change the propellers. And this is the setup guide, and plus moreover it comes with the Google N3, so you need to wear that goggle on your eyes and then use this controller, motion controller, so that way you can like shoot the FPV video. So but if you want to use simply with your palm gestures, motions, anything, then you can simply carry that. It is very light, not even like 150 gram, so you can carry that, and you can make the best memorable shots on your holidays or vacations, so that will be very helpful that way. So this is the product features of DJI Neo 2 Motion 4K drone fly more combo. So I am on the JB Hi-Fi popular website of Australia. So they have multiple stores all over Australia. So let me show you the photographs first. So these are the pictures of the product. So DJI Neo 2, and it is also showing what is included in the box. So it is showing everything, and so how you can use that with the goggles. So this is all. Okay, so now I will be showing you some of the features. So it is a 12 megapixel camera, half-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.2 aperture, 4K 60 frame per second video, 4K 100 frame per second slow motion, and 2.7K vertical video. So aircraft details up to 19 minutes flight time, and below 250 gram weight classification. And plus it has a smart stuff voice control via mobile, gesture control, smart capture for sharp results. So if you see, these are the coolest features. So master flight with ease. So, and then more way to control, more fun. So you have quite a different method to control and fly this drone, and gesture control. So you can use your hands, and it will be understanding your gestures. So which will be very helpful for those people, those who are buying the drone for the first time. And it has a voice control. You can control that through your mobile app. So that is again a good feature. So you can use through your smartphone or Bluetooth earphones, and mobile apps control. It is giving that, and RC control. So it is the package comes with the RC N3 remote controller, and you can like cover up with that remote maximum distance of 10 kilometer, which is a great capacity for this small drone. But I'm not sure whether when you are flying up to 10 kilometer far, whether you have that much battery to return back or no. So that is another question. But you have a great capacity to fly, and then it has a smarter capture for sharp results, and then active track, so which is quite good. Like if you are cycling or doing other activity, it will follow you smoothly and quietly, avoiding the obstacles and all that, which will be quite good. And easy moment capture with the selfie shot and 4K high quality imaging. So smart modes and dual protection for safe flight, because it has a omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so which will be quite good. And the further propellers are covered, so the drone is light, so it is quite good even if you are flying in a bit of like rowdy area, so it will be still good. And also internal storage, which is very very good, like it has a 49 GB internal storage for long 4K video, so which will be quite good, so even if like card is full, you have a second backup, so that is very good. And a power replenishment, quick transfer, return to home key, so that is again a good feature in this one also, like you are not lost. If you're not so sure where you are, just press the return to home, and it will come back to you. And so it is quite a good feature. So, and if you see, this is the detailed specs, so which is from the DJI. As I said, it comes with the 1 year warranty up to 19 minutes flight time, and it is coming with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth features, and 4K video camera drone. And this is pretty much so. Price at the moment in Australia store is 989 AUD, and because none of the Australian store has in stock, so it is they ordered that and then you get it by post. So they are charging another $10 for the delivery. So roughly you can say $1,000. So that is for this drone. I will be keep on showing you the cool feature and how you can use that DJI Neo 2 in a different manner through this controller or through the palm also. I will be showing you that. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video. Thank you.